Enduvo is your go-to platform for immersive communication and collaboration. Our no-code system empowers anyone to craft high-quality XR content without specialized technical skills. Our authoring tool mirrors industry-leading creation platforms like Canva or Loom, providing a familiar interface for users. Let's create an experience. Start with your experience card, title it, add a thumbnail, and tag it. Next, select your scene and upload your assets or choose them from your library. Enduvo supports 3D models along with pictures, documents, videos, and audio files. Just drag and drop them into your immersive room to set them up. Now, with your space ready, let's record. Enduvo captures every word and virtual interaction, like object scaling, revealing cross-sectional views, or even taking objects apart. When I'm done recording, I simply save and exit. After recording, I can create another experience, add this one to a playlist, or share this experience with my team or external network. Others can consume my content interactively. They can play my experience, then pause it at any time for deeper exploration. They can pull apart an object, rotate it, scale it for a closer look. They can interact with 2D objects too. Enduvo brings the full promise of immersive XR to everyone, enabling experts to share their knowledge across many use cases: healthcare, education, training, safety, and more. With Enduvo, create your reality and share your experience.